Good afternoon, everyone. So I will just go through a few important points. I think that everybody should be aware. I'm sure most of you are already aware, but still, it is important that I communicate from our side what we feel is important. Firstly, you should, as much as possible, not try to disclose any information about your investments and portfolios to anyone. This could become a potential risk for you. People may try to exploit that information to get various gains in different forms and methods. Um, the other thing is you should not share your passwords and pins or any other confidential information related to any of your accounts. I'm not just talking about your MarketSmith accounts, even other information related to your other accounts you should not share with anybody. We never ask you. Somebody could be giving you a call pretending to be from our company asking you for confidential information, but we never ask any confidential information. And if you get any doubt, please report to us, because they may, find creative ways of doing fraud and, pretend to be somebody from our organization asking for your personal confidential information, which is something that we do not ask. The other thing is, all your passwords are encrypted with us. So no, even our staff is not able to see any of those passwords. So they should not be able to get into your account unless you allow them or you permit them to view something. And even if you have to, discuss your password with any of our representative for troubleshooting any issue, you should immediately do a reset password. You should change your passwords immediately. A lot of people have this habit of keeping similar passwords across their accounts and websites. Please try to avoid this, because if one of your passwords in one of your sites get compromised, then that's a risk to you. They can use that information to try and maybe get into your Gmail or maybe get into your MarketSmith account. It can be exploited in various forms. So please try and use different passwords for different accounts and sites, especially the sensitive accounts that you have related to your financial transactions or anything like that. Also be aware of any emails that come to you. Please check the sender. It is very much possible that somebody could send you a phishing email pretending to be somebody from MarketSmith India, giving you an offer which takes you to a link, gets all your information, and then you realize that it is actually a fraud. So please check the sender carefully before opening any link or any email. All emails from our side will be from either williamoneillindia.com or marketsmithindia.com or tradersmithindia.com. They cannot be from any other domain. So please check if you get any promotional emails or any campaign emails. Please double check what kind of email address is the sender before opening any link from there. Also, we make sure that the customer data is not shared with anyone, whether it's partners, business partners, or whether it's any other third party. Your information is kept secure in our servers. Your passwords are totally encrypted. We do not, this is only for reference purposes, for compliance purposes. We do not share this information. So please bear in mind some of these tips and, have a safe online experience, for anything that you do. Thank you very much.